What you've got to do first is you're going to see that there's this little lip right here. Now this piece is connected to this piece. And to get this thing to open, what you've got to do is you got to pull it this way, and then it slides open like that. You see that? That's how you do it. Right here is where you put your card. All right, so before you put your battery in, you may want to slide your card in there. But let's try it both ways. First, we'll put the battery in. If you look down in there, you'll see there's the leads for the connection on the battery. So you got to get the battery, the right way. It doesn't go this way. The only way it can go in is this way. So GoPro facing up, right? So you're going to slide that in there, just like that. And then just give it a little smush. And bam, you're good. Now when you take it out, all you got to do is just pull it with this little tab. You see that? Comes out. Push it in. All right, you're ready to go. Now we've got to put our SD card in there. Okay, so I have a number of SD cards, and I'm going to grab one. Now, it shows the SD card going in this way with the leads up. So if you're unsure, you can look at this horrible diagram that they've given you. And it shows, right there is this whole process of putting in the battery and the SD card. So I'm thinking that we've got to slide it in like this, right? Now, we may have to put it in before we put the battery in. So now let's go ahead and pull the battery out. And let's go ahead and push our SD card in. Now that's in, that's out. Watch again. In, out. So to put your SD card in, this is not, this is ridiculous. All right, so for me, I'm going to use my Apple tools. All right, so this I got from Apple Tools, and it makes it a little bit easier to get the SD card in and out. So I would recommend buying a pair of these or buying some Apple Tools, because this is really not very, it's not very user-friendly. And I recommend putting the SD card in first. Put your SD card in first before you put your battery in. So it's just like every other SD card, look. You get it in, then you got to push it. To get it out, you got to give it a little push. So let's grab it, take a look at the mechanism. So it's got a little spring in there. So it's got a little spring inside there. And so this one's a 64. So you can put, I think, up to 128 in here. Maybe more. They're coming out with terabyte micro SD cards. So, all right, so now we got our SD card in. And then we're going to put our battery in. That way, we're cool. Now to charge it, you got to leave this port open, right? Here's your port for your charger. And it's a USB-C. So you're just going to put it, just going to slide it in there like this. And bam, now you're ready to charge this bad boy. So I'm just going to plug this into my computer to charge it.